You may be wondering if face steaming is helpful for you. Is steaming your face beneficial to your skin or not? For hundreds or possibly thousands of years, people have utilized steam to unwind and restore themselves. In spas, saunas, or just a hot shower, we still love to distress. Are you looking for a way to get rid of your skin's dullness and radiance? Deep cleaning and hydration of the skin may be achieved using a face steamer. Skincare and beauty routines have relied on facial steaming for millennia. It may nourish your skin from the inside out, resulting in a radiant complexion. However, other individuals choose to add a variety of ingredients, such as salt, lemon, or herbal tea to their hot water in order to reap additional advantages. Before that, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and share. Please support us through subscribing this channel. Number 1, it aids in blood flow. Warm steam and increased sweat expand your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your cells. Your skin gets nourished and oxygenated as a result of this increased blood flow. Natural, healthy-looking skin appears as a consequence. Number 2, it is detoxifying. Steam may help you get a more thorough clean by expanding your pores and loosening any collected material. When your pores are opened up, it is much easier to get rid of acne. Number 3, it facilitates the discharge of trapped sebum. Oil created by your sebaceous glands to lubricate your skin and hair, and it is a naturally occurring substance. When sebum becomes trapped under the surface of your skin, it serves as a breeding ground for bacteria, resulting in acne and blackheads. Number 4, collagen and elastin production are boosted. When you get a steam facial, the increased blood flow that occurs encourages the formation of collagen and elastin in the skin. Firmer and more youthful-looking skin is produced as an outcome of this procedure. Number 5, it gets rid of bacteria and cells that cause acne. The discharge of dead skin cells, germs, and other pollutants that block pores and lead to acne is made possible by opening your pores. Number 6, congestion in the sinuses is relieved. Congestion in the sinuses and headaches that typically accompany it might be relieved with steam. A few drops of essential oils added to your steam might enhance the results. Number 7, it has a calming effect. It's calming to breathe in the warm steam as it covers your face. Take your steam session to a new level of relaxation by incorporating herbs or essential oils for aromatherapy. Number 8, it has a moisturizing effect. Steam moisturizes by assisting in the growth of oil production, which results in a naturally moisturizing effect on the face. Number 9, symptoms of the common cold and flu may be relieved. It is possible that using a humidifier while you sleep can help you recover more quickly if you have the flu or a cold. Not only will it assist to remove congestion, but it may also aid to lubricate your nasal passages, which will make breathing a whole lot easier. This may also help to reduce a sore throat and, in certain cases, sinus headaches, as well as restore a comfortable night's sleep for some individuals. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please don't forget to turn on the bell icon, so you don't miss out any upcoming videos.